Hello, and welcome to Daily English Drops, the podcast where you learn English step by step, drop by drop. I'm your host, and today's drop is all about something we all love: food. Food connects people. It's not just something we eat, it's something we share. We talk about it with friends, we post it on social media, and we even travel for it. So today, let's learn how to talk about food in English, what we eat, what we like, and how to order food politely. Part 1. Talking about meals. We usually eat 3 main meals a day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. You can say, for breakfast, I usually have eggs and toast. For lunch, I eat rice and vegetables. For dinner, I often have soup or pasta. Breakfast gives you energy. Lunch keeps you going through the day. And dinner is often the time when families sit together and relax. Try this sentence. My favorite meal of the day is dinner because I eat with my family. Part 2. Talking about favorite foods. Everyone has a favorite food, right? You can say, I love pizza. My favorite dessert is chocolate cake. I don't like spicy food. To talk about what you enjoy, just use I like, I love, or I don't like. For example, I love ice cream. I like fruit, especially mangoes. I don't like onions. Simple, clear, and very natural English. Part 3. Healthy versus junk food. We often talk about healthy food and junk food. Healthy food includes fruits, vegetables, rice, and eggs. You can say, I try to eat healthy food. I eat vegetables every day. Junk food includes burgers, fries, and chips. You can say, sometimes I eat fast food. I know it's not healthy, but it tastes so good. Everyone enjoys a little junk food sometimes. Balance is the key. Part 4. Ordering food in English. Imagine you're in a restaurant. Here's how you can order politely in English. A table for 2, please. Can I see the menu? I'd like the pasta, please. And a glass of water. The bill, please. That's it. Short and polite. You can use this anywhere, in cafes, hotels, or even food courts. Part 5. Talking about sweets and drinks. Now, the best part, desserts. You can say, I have a sweet tooth. This means you love sweet things. For example, I have a sweet tooth. I love chocolate cookies and ice cream. When it comes to drinks, you can say, I always drink coffee in the morning. I like juice with lunch. I drink water all day. Part 6. Food habits. Let's talk about your habits. You can say, I cook at home every day. I eat out once a week. I sometimes skip breakfast. Here's one example. I usually cook at home, but on weekends, I love ordering pizza. Wrap up. So today, we learned how to talk about food in English, how to describe meals, express likes and dislikes, and even order food politely. Now it's your turn. Think about these questions and answer them in English. What's your favorite food? Do you prefer cooking or eating out? Practice saying your answers, and you'll sound more fluent every day. Thank you for listening to Daily English Drops. If you enjoyed today's episode, make sure to follow, like, and share it with your friends. I'll see you next time with another short and powerful English drop. Until then, stay happy, stay hungry, and keep learning.